What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Substack publication. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Substack. So after that, you will be welcome to this website of Substack. After typing Substack, you will see the first official website of Substack. Just simply click on it, or you can just type in substack.com. So you will be welcome to this page of Substack. Now, if you are new to Substack, on your right side, you will see the option of signing in. Just sign in with your email and password. But if you already have logged in with an account, you will see the option of dashboard. Just simply click on it. And after clicking on dashboard on the top near the recommendations, you will see the options of settings. Click on this option and then scroll down to the last bottom in the danger zone. Now, after coming here to the danger zone, you can see the option of delete publication permanently, delete your publication post, subscriber list, and all other content. Once you do this, there is no going back. So once you delete the publication, there is no going back. You won't, uh, you can't restore it later. So in the danger zone, you can see the option and the button of delete publication. Click on this button and then type in your domain name. For example, I'll type in this one, Danny James, and I'll hit OK. So this says, OK, the publication is being deleted. This may take a minute or two. After a minute or two, my publication will be deleted. So this is how you can delete a Substack publication. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.